Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Motherfucking Empowerment. Here, we talk about consciousness and how to manifest your fucking dreams. All right. Now, those of you who are new, welcome. Welcome. So a little bit about myself. I was incarcerated, and then I visualized going to college. I did not have a high school education. I didn't do high school. I went for 2 years, but never paid attention. I didn't graduate. My visions became a reality. I would harbor them in my mind and just be like grateful and happy for my vision and for my day. Just typical gratitude, and I would give thanks to God. I'll give recognition to God because I would do this before going to bed. The Our Father, I'll say thank you, and then I would visualize what I wanted when I got out. I knew I was going to get out, given that God is always protecting me. And I read the Bible. The Bible said, throughout the New Testament and the Old Testament, but I read the New Testament, it says that you'll get everything you want. If you believe and you ask God and have faith, God will give it to you. All right, let's get started, okay? Before, you got to ask yourself these two questions. Are you ready to learn and apply? If you're not, don't watch this. Number two, you're ready to follow your dreams, the highest ones, okay? What you truly hear in your heart, what you truly desire in your heart, okay? Not what I'm telling you to get, not what somebody else telling you to get. That's what a true master does. He says that, listen to your heart of what you truly desire. Everything you have is within you. And we're going to go over that today. Chapter 7. Receptivity in the Edinburg Lectures on Mental Science by Thomas Troward. Okay. Chapter 7, Receptivity. Now, a little bit about my name on YouTube. I might change it to Professor Miguel because I graduated UCLA and I could be a professor. Okay. I could be a history professor. But I digress. So that's just a thought. The point of this chapter is to lay the foundations for you to know how to use the infinite intelligence, okay, the spirit. Now, the spirit is universal, hence infinite intelligence. Spirit is not physical, and spirit is life, which is intelligence. So they're the same thing. Now, this intelligence cannot be individuated. It cannot be us and them. It cannot, because it's in everything. It's in the essence of all things, and it's in all space and all things. Okay, and it is not in all time and space. Okay, because it's not tangible. Okay, we can't contain it. Only us or the body, things, material things, can be in time and space because they're in the relative. Okay, they're related to other things. We can relate to other things. Universal mind and universal intelligence is in the infinite and within everything. Because if everything gets destroyed, let's say everything gets incinerated, all is left is the intelligence. But because we have an individual personality, we can rise up to that intelligence, connect with it. That's what Thomas Troward wants to tell us here. To use the universal mind, we must, one, recognize it. Hence my Our Father prayer. You don't have to use the Our Father. You could just say, I recognize you, God. I recognize you, universal intelligence. I recognize you, spirit. Whatever you want to call it. Creator, universe, source. Okay? Then understand that it is law. It is law. It has procedures that it uses. Look at how the smallest organisms evolved and developed. So it is law. There is order that it has, that it uses. So we must know that law, know that order. Number two, that it cannot be divided, that we must grow to it. Okay? We must grow to it. We must acknowledge it to use it. Okay? And when we use it, when we use the universal mind to create out of the spiritual realm, right? From spiritual prototypes, then we have the universal mind working on the individual, relative, physical plane, and the individual to the universal plane. But it must be the individual to reach to God. It can't be God reaching to the individual, because the universal mind is not an individual. It is permeating in everything. It is just the essence of life and intelligence. All right? But we do know how it operates. It's life-giving. It's harmony, it's law, it's beauty, it's order. It is loving. It wants all things to expand and grow. We see that in all things. Now I want to share this that I highlighted. Our recognition of this spirit must therefore be twofold. As the principle of necessary sequence, order, or law, and also as the principle of intelligence responsive to our own recognition of it. Okay? It doesn't have its own personality, but it has a personal quality to it, okay? We don't say a personality because a personality has its own volition, and it can say me and them, me and they, me and you, right? That's individualization. The source of life, spirit doesn't have that. It is in everything. It can't be divided. So this is just the foundation of understanding how infinite intelligence works. It is not here nor there, it is everywhere. And we can tap into it by recognizing it and understanding the laws, okay? The laws of the universe. Like the law of growth. We have a spiritual prototype of our goal, right? A goal image, mental image. We're impressing it on the universal mind, which is our subconscious mind, okay? Hope you're following here. We have a subconscious mind that is linked to the universal mind because everything's intelligence. Okay? So our individual subconscious mind will link with the universal mind to produce that which we want. And this is from mere logic. Okay, this is from mere logic that Thomas Troward has found in the ways of mental creation and physical manifestation. We'll go into more on those steps in the next couple of chapters. Causes and Conditions is one of the greatest chapters of all time for us to use, right? But the next chapter is Chapter 8, Reciprocal Action of the Universal and Individual Minds. Okay. So we're going to talk about how the universal and individual minds start working together practically, okay? Practically. And the chapter after that is causes and conditions. But I believe that the last two chapters, the law of growth, and this one, receptivity, is suffice to manifest all the dreams that you want in your life. All of them. The law of growth. Okay. You cannot force a goal of yours to manifest. Allow it. Okay. Be non-resistant. Allow it to come into your life. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. See it as an accomplished fact in your mind. Like I like to say, you don't see a half a donut. Let's say you want to manifest a donut. You don't see half a donut. Or you don't see the ingredients of the donut. You see the donut full, ready for you to eat. Right? If you want to bake a cake, you don't see the cake's like all its ingredients, condiments, and like spoons and stuff. You see the thing. You see the cake. That's why I don't like to cook, because all I want to eat. If I'm cooking, it's because I'm hungry already. You gotta enjoy that process of cooking, because real good food takes about 30 to an hour. You know, delicacies take about 30 minutes to an hour. So here's the thing. That's why I'm grateful for women, my mother, just people who cook. You know, they enjoy it. It's that life giving in them. You know, they give life. You know, the food is life. Physical life. And so understanding that law of growth, being non-resistant, seeing it as already done, it suffice to have it manifested. Okay. Then you have even more immense power, because you know that you're unlimited. There is unlimited resources. There is unlimited thought energy. Therefore, there's unlimited resources. The universe keeps expanding. Everything keeps growing. We will not find everything in the universe. We will not gather all the data in the universe, because it's just going to keep on growing. That's what infinite intelligence is. That's what infinity is. So long as we can see it, we can have it. Okay? It's just that right now, and I am helping lift off the veil, is that we think that there is limitation. There isn't. It is only in our mind causing us to create that. We choose to live in abundance, will create abundance. It's all right here. And when we know that the universal mind, or the spirit, okay, life spirit, is one, intangible, and is infinite, and creates all things. Therefore, we are abundant and infinite already inherently. But because we do not know this, we have not logically gone back to understand this, we experience lack and limitation. But we are infinite. We are infinite, and we are all powerful when we realize how the laws work. Okay. How the laws work, and we recognize this law, this spirit. Got to take that in, okay? Take that in. I got to take it in. It's just so powerful. So this is lifting up the veil, and you're seeing the abundance that is in front of you, in you. Infinite intelligence, living spirit. It is infinite. It cannot be contained. It is infinite. And you have access to it. You can tap into it right now by acknowledging living spirit, God, the creator, source. See what you want in your mind's eye, or feel the feelings of the wish fulfilled, or just see it complete. Like, I already got it. Cool. and just allow everything to come into fruition. Keep on seeing and feeling that in your mind. Not anxiously, okay, not vigorously, but with the, cheerful, calm expectancy of its manifestation. Okay? So let's do a little bit of visualizing. All right. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Know that you are safe. You are linked with the universe, with the universal spirit. Now, in your mind's eye, see yourself with that which you desire. What is it? See the wealth. See the love. See the health. See the achievements. See the joy. And now, take another deep breath and relax. Open your eyes. It's already done. Now let the law of growth reveal to you the next steps, the hunches, the people. Hunches are inspirations, they're inspired to do something. The things, circumstances, everything is happening for you to manifest your best life. Now that you are manifesting your best life, you're visualizing and manifesting your best life. And it must come to pass. Give thanks for it already. All right. I hope you like this lecture on Thomas Troward's chapter 7. What was it called? Receptivity. I was going to say reception. Receptivity. And that it's connecting you with God, which it is, and helping you manifest, which it is. Until next time, it is my pleasure to do this and to be here. I love you. If anyone came to mind, share it with them, okay? And make sure to like if you liked it, comment if you want to comment something, subscribe if you want to see more. I love you. Peace.